back to my channel. For today's video we have an unboxing of the June latest in beauty box. If you are new here, my name is Natalie and I upload 2 to 3 videos a week all about makeup and beauty. If you do like what you see today, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel before you leave. But why don't we get into the June latest in beauty subscription box. This is how this month's box comes, and yes, you may be getting a little deja vu because this is the exact same packaging that I got in May's box. They did seem to have some sort of mix up last month, and the box I got said Conscious Beauty when I think it should have said, I think it was Global Beauty or something like that. But the Conscious Beauty edit is the June edit, so I now have 2 boxes exactly the same, but this is this month's edit, so I really don't know what happened there with them. If you are new to this subscription, this is a slightly different subscription box than other ones out there on the market in that you can choose your items yourself. This subscription does cost £12.95 a month plus shipping. Once you have received a few months worth of subscription, I think it's 3 months, you will get pro member status, which will mean that you no longer pay for the delivery, and any limited edition collections that they release, you do get 15% off them as well as free shipping with them as well. The way in which this box is slightly different to others is because you choose the contents of the box each month yourself. They do have a set amount of products that they release throughout the course of the month. They do usually announce the whole month's items at the beginning on their Instagram page, and then every Monday they do drop 4 or 5 products. Whatever day you sign up to this service in the month, that does then become your billing date, and that is the day in which every month your payment will come out of your bank and you can then make your choices. For me personally, mine is towards the beginning of the month, but it always seems to be after the first couple of drops that I make my choices. So this is getting rather heavy on my shoulders, so I'm just going to put this down now. So I believe I have made my selections from a couple of different drops. I don't know how much of it is actually from this month's edit, but there are 6 items that I did choose from their website, and I think a couple of them were from previous edits because there wasn't as much choice and I was kind of getting impatient and didn't want to wait until the next drop to pick my items. So why don't I show you what I picked? In case you haven't seen any of my unboxings before, what I always like to do is go through and work out the value of each of the items so that I can see how much value for money that I'm getting. So I have done the same with this box. So the first thing we have on top here is this sheet mask. This is from the brand OK and is the Rejuvenating Anti-Jet Lag Sheet Mask. This one says it includes ceramides and is a honeycomb fibre mask. And then on the back it just says it rejuvenates tired skin, locks in moisture and can be used daily. Slightly depressing getting an anti-jet lag sheet mask when I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just going to be using this sitting at home, not after getting off a long flight. So slightly depressing, but I do really like sheet masks and I think I've had good luck with ones that I've tried from this brand before, so I thought I would give this one a go. I did presume it was going to be just a moisturising one, which I definitely do like in a sheet mask, and I do like ceramides in my products as well, so yeah, that's why I thought I would give this one a go. So this one is obviously a full-size product and you can purchase this for £5. The next item I chose, which I do believe is from this month's edit, this is from the brand Bow Organics. This is a lash oil for healthy, hydrated, beautiful lashes. I picked this one up as something a little different to try. I have been trying to dabble in false lashes lately and I really liked how they've looked and how better it's made my lashes look. But because of using false lashes, I have kind of lost a couple of my own lashes, and also applying lashes is still quite taxing, so I always forget I was supposed to put them on tonight, but I just wasn't feeling it. So I thought I'd pick this up to try and boost my natural lashes so I don't need to rely on false lashes. I say rely, I've been wanting to use them, but I just can't seem to get the hang of it. This one, it says apply a drop or 2 to index finger and gently massage onto clean eyelashes from root to tip. Best applied at night. So the lash serum I've been using from e.l.f. does have a little brush applicator with it, which is really easy to kind of just put along your lash line. That one you can also put on your brows as well. Because this one has a dropper, I don't really want to open it actually because it looks like it's sealed. Because this one has a dropper and I need to apply it with my fingers, I'm a bit scared that I'm going to pull lashes out with that kind of motion. So I don't think I'd appreciated that when I ordered it. I think I just presumed it was going to come with a brush like the one from e.l.f. So I'll give it a go, but I'm not really holding out much hope for it. So this is another full-size product and this one does retail for £21. Next, I chose this very random item of a pack of plasters. So these are from the brand Patch and these are 25 black bamboo hypoallergenic breathable bandages, but they look like plasters. So it says for bites and splinters, natural bamboo strip bandages with activated charcoal. So I was really intrigued by these. Again, there wasn't much choice. I thought I'd give these a go. You can never have too many plasters, and I was really intrigued. It looks like they are from Australia. It says made with super soft bamboo fabric with gentle pressure sensitive adhesive, patching you up so you can get on with your adventures. Patches a natural, breathable, hypoallergenic, biodegradable strip bandage designed to help your skin. The patch activated charcoal has an activated bamboo charcoal gauze. Activated charcoal is known for its health benefits that may help splinters, bites and irritated wound types. And then usual clean and dry the area before applying. I do want to kind of see what they look like. I just have this little strange bit on the top as well, which I don't really know. Oh, I think that's instructions, but do you really need instructions for how to apply a plaster? I mean, it's really nice packaging and things. They do feel very posh. So this is how they come. There's just a few of these strips. Each one of these is 5 because there are 25 in here. So they do look like a really good size. They are quite long, so I think this will be pretty good. I'm intrigued as to how the adhesive is, because that's always a problem I find with plasters, that the adhesive in them is a bit rubbish and they always seem to fall off. So yeah, I'll give these ones a go. No doubt these will end up getting tried on my daughter before anyone else, because she's a small child and they just constantly seem to fall over. So this is again another full-size product, and this does retail for £6.99. If I'm honest, I was expecting it to be a little bit more expensive than that. I think a normal box of plasters that I'll buy is about £3. So with these being kind of better, I was expecting them to be maybe more near £10. So if they are great and do really work, £6.99 doesn't break the bank if I need to repurchase them. But yeah, something definitely different. I don't think I've ever received anything like this in a subscription box before. The next item I chose was definitely from this month's edit. This is from the brand Oh Wow and is a flyaway control. I think I do remember reading when looking up the price that it's for brows as well, but I picked it mainly because it says flyaways, and they probably are completely showing on camera, but I do suffer a lot from flyaways. I always have random strands of hair everywhere, so I think this is going to be a good product for me. It says that it is just for a perfectly smooth look and is actually a product from Estonia. So this is how it comes. It just kind of looks like a mascara. I presume it is just a clear product. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. I think it might be almost like a fruity scent. So, but yeah, we'll see what that's like and see how good it is at taming my flyaways. Perhaps I should possibly give it a go now and get these couple at the front. Oh, there is definitely something in it, but it is kind of coating my hair. Let's try these ones here. Whatever it is kind of just basically wetting my hair. Maybe I need to take some of the product off because it does feel quite wet. So I'll try these ones here. Did that help at all? That does actually deposit quite a bit. I feel like it's applying that like hair mascara when I was younger, when you'd put like bright blue and yellow streaks through your hair using a mascara. I don't think I've used a product like that since. Did that kind of help? I think it might have done slightly, but my hair does feel like a bit sticky now. It's obviously a product that I definitely need to have a play around with and see whereabouts on my hair it's best to use it for. But again, something different, and I don't think I've ever had anything like this in a subscription box either. And again, this is a full-size product that you can actually purchase on Beauty Bay and retails for £15.75. The last couple of products that I've picked are definitely from older boxes. The first one here is actually from a limited edition box, which I did actually pick up. It was the Sunday Times edit, and they seem to have put the products that didn't sell out from there just into the normal subscription box. So perhaps if you did miss out on that box or didn't want to spend the kind of high price that it was, perhaps check the normal subscription box to see if there was any items there that you could possibly pick up just for the £12.95. So what I picked up is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I did get this product when I picked up that Sunday Times box, but it is only a very small sample and I do quite like the product. Again, there wasn't much choice. I thought I might as well pick a product that I know I already like. I do currently have it in my everyday makeup drawer, and I do have it underneath my foundation today, and say it is a really nice primer. It does blur the pores nicely without being too silicone-y. It does have a nice cream-like consistency to it, so it is a bit more moisturising as well. So it is a very nice primer, and so that's why I thought I'd just pick another one up. Obviously this is not a full size product. The full size of this is £34 for 50ml. This is just 5ml of product, so this is worth £3.40. Another reason why people shouldn't have paid the full price for the Sunday Times for £3.40 sample products. I'm still slightly bitter about that box. And then the final item I picked, I do believe I had to scroll quite far down to get to it because there just wasn't anything else that I needed. There was skincare and things that I could have picked up, and I think actually this might be the first month that I've not picked up the whole of the month. It was a moisturiser from the brand that I can't pronounce. I think it's Omrizakia or something like that. I'm terrible at pronouncing the name of that brand, so probably a good thing I didn't pick the product up. But because it is a moisturiser and I definitely don't need any more of that kind of product, that's why I was technically a bit limited in what I chose. And I was actually quite happy that I could choose 6 items without having to pick any more facial skincare because I definitely don't need it. So the last item I picked is from the brand Palmer's. This is the Natural Bronze Body Lotion with Gradual Tan for all skin tones. I feel like I've had something like this in the past and it was a really nice product. I can't remember if it was from Palmer's though. I think it might have actually been an After Sun product that was supposed to retain your tan rather than being a gradual tanner, so I'm a bit scared to use this, but I definitely need to do something on my legs because they are so pasty, and obviously as the weather's getting warmer I am starting to wear dresses and shorts and things, but I am just blinding people with my legs basically, so something like this will be good. Obviously there's not a lot of product in here. When I did put it in the basket, it's my own fault. I didn't look how much of the product was there. I did presume, because it's not that expensive of a product, that it was possibly going to be the full size, but it is only 20ml. So the full size of this is 250ml for £5.69. So I'd say this is only 20ml, so this is only worth 46p. So for the full price being only £5.69 and other things here, I've obviously been over the £10 mark. It would have been nice for it to be a full size. So that is all the 6 items that I chose for my June latest in beauty box. Totting up the total value of them all, it comes to £52.60, which, considering I did only pay £12.95, that is a pretty good deal. To be honest, most subscription boxes that you pay between £10 and £15 for do tend to offer a value of £50 to £60, so in that respect it is kind of average, but because it is such a bespoke service and I have chosen the items and there are 6 of them, it is obviously going to mean that every single person gets a different value each month, obviously unless you pick the same items I did. So overall, I'm a bit on the fence about this month. Yes, okay, there wasn't as much things to choose from, there wasn't anything that kind of jumped out as being fantastic, but then I did also put the restrictions on myself that I didn't want to pick any facial skincare, so I was limited with what I could pick anyway. I'm quite happy with the products that I've chosen. I say I think I've got things that are a little different. These are definitely something new. Obviously the plasters are something completely different, and then just a couple of other products, one that I know I already like, and then a sheet mask, you kind of can't go wrong with that, and then the gradual tanner was just like a little bonus. So yeah, overall it's an okay box for me. It's definitely not the best. I am obviously excited to see what next month's theme is and what products are going to be released. They do tend to release the information at the very end of the previous month, and they will usually do a sneak peek of a few items on their Instagram stories. But that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.